Good morning, class. Today we are going to solve the exercise of chapter 1, the sentence. This exercise A, that is based on structure, sentence based on structure. In first A, when she came here, I was reading a book. This here in this sentence there are two clauses. First clause when she came here and second clause I was reading a book. And you know this when clause, when she came here, is a subordinate clause that start with the conjunction when. So I have explained already that the complex sentence that is made of one subordinate clause and one main clause with the help of a subordinating conjunction. Here when works as a subordinating conjunction because when clause is kept here first, so before the second clause we mark here comma. We can also write this sentence, I was reading a book when she came here. Both type of writing is right. So this sentence is a complex sentence. This is a complex sentence. And so we can write here easily, this is a complex sentence. And in second, God made the country, comma, and man made the town. You know, I had told you the recognition of the compound sentence that if you find the coordinating conjunction and but, nor, yet, so, etc., then you can easily know that this is a compound sentence. And the second recognition is God made the country. ईश्वर देश बनाता है, आदमी शहर बनाता है. And both conveys complete thought. And both are joined with the coordinating conjunction and so it is a compound sentence. Third, our house is small but our heart is big. You know, but is another coordinating conjunction that joins two clauses. Our house is small, our heart is big. Both are the principal clause, both and joined by the coordinating conjunction, but that is why it is also compound sentence. In 4, men fear death as children fear darkness. Children fear darkness. You know, men fear death. मनुष्य लोग मृत्यु से डरते हैं जैसा कि बच्चे अंधेरे से डरते हैं. जैसे here as is a subordinating conjunction, so we can easily understand that as children fear darkness, this sentence does not convey complete thought without the first clause, main clause, men fear death. So that's why it is a complex sentence. It is clear that you have not understood the question. You know, here that it is clear that you have not understood the question is a subordinate clause and it is joined by that conjunction with the principal clause. It is clear. That's why it is also complex sentence. Now, next, it is clear. Fifth, if you work hard, you will get success. If the sentence that clause start with if is always subordinating clause or subordinate clause or dependent clause. So you can easily understand, you can easily recognize that if clause is always subordinate clause and that's why it will make the complex sentence. And in now 7, the service garage smells of grease and gasoline. You know, This is the sentence. The service garage smells. Here, it only smells is only one finite verb. That's why it is a simple sentence. Now, though he was very rich, he was still unhappy. The I have the though yadyapi though means though is the subordinating conjunction. That's why it is a complex sentence. Second exercise B. Rewrite the following sentence as simple sentence. You know, I have I have already explained about the simple sentence. That simple sentence always consists of one main verb or one finite verb. You know, here is this is the sentence. I went to the market because I wanted to buy shoe. You can write this sentence in this way. I went to market to buy shoes. To buy shoes is a phrase. That's why it here went it became only one finite verb in this sentence. So it is a simple. It became simple sentence. In such way, it is nervous, but he is still hopeful. It is nervous, but he is still hopeful. Here we can write this sentence, the simple sentence, by converting one clause into phrase. In spite of being nervous. Here, in spite of being nervous. First clause became here phrase. And he, comma, he is still hopeful. This became the simple sentence. In such way, it when Kishore lost his sight, his top office terminated his service. You know, one clause we have change. We have to change into phrase, and in this way, the Kishore post office terminated his service due to losing his sight. In another sentence, if it was amazing that he won the match. It was amazing he won the match, and we can make it. It was amazing of winning the match, and we have made winning as a non-finite version. Phrase we can change the first sentence. It was amazing that he was won the match. That he won the match, we have converted into the phrase winning the match. He saved me from drowning. Then this is the sentence. He saved me or I would have drowned. मतलब उसने मुझे बचा लिया, नहीं तो मैं डूब जाता. तो he saved me from drowning. And in sixth sentence, he wanted to pass the examination, so he worked hard. So you can change this sentence. He worked hard to pass the examination. He worked hard to pass the examination. And in such second and seventh sentence, the cat turned its tail and ran away. Turning its tail, the cat ran away. The cat ran away having turned its tail. Or you can also write turning its tail, the cat ran away. Both are right. He went to the window and peered out. Here you can change the sentence. He went to the window to peer out. So it is all about the exercise A and B that I have solved. And to next of the exercise I shall perform in next class. Thank you, class. And you know this exercise you can see, and you will write this exercise in your fair copy. And this exercise that I have explained first day, you will write in a fair copy in your book only. That's all the class.